Hi, I'm prepping for our long boat trip and I wanted to show you how I pre-prep to save time so I can have fun when I'm on the water. Tip number one, protein. Have your protein in individual containers. I like to buy the salmon that comes pre-portioned, so I just take two of those, one for me, one for my husband, throw it in the freezer and I take it frozen. I like this pork tenderloin that comes pre-packaged in plastic from the grocery store. That works well. Shrimp, what I do with shrimp is I either use a vacuum sealer to do it, or I use heavy duty freezer bags. Sometimes I'll even do two just in case one of the sharp tails pokes through the plastic. So that's pre-portioned protein. Number two, I love to use multi-spice seasoning. This saves so much time. This is one of my favorites. It's a sweet basil, citrus, and garlic rub. And I like it on meat, fish, chicken, vegetables. It makes everything taste really good. And instead of taking this big container, what I do is I funnel it into a clean glass jar that I've labeled with my label maker, and I just take this and refill as I need it. Okay, so use multi-purpose seasoning. The third thing that I like to do is make salads ahead of time and store them in these containers. So I will link down below in the video description the salad recipe for a Mexican bean salad and then a perfect make-ahead Italian salad. But it's delicious and will last us several days for our lunches. I take them in these meal prep containers that are glass and they're easily stacked and they fit really nicely in my Galley fridge. And then I use these for leftovers and other things on the boat and then just bring them home when we're done. I'm Maria Ferris RD. I'm a registered dietitian and a master personal trainer, and I help you have a healthy lifestyle on the water and off. Please click that subscribe button and follow me for more great tips. If you'd like to shop for any of the items I've mentioned in this video, look in the video description below to shop my Amazon storefront where I've got everything curated and list for you.